Yeah, good evening, esteemed colleagues. I believe we are all doing great. Yeah, today is Sunday, and happy Sunday to you all. Remain blessed. I still remain your boy, your coach, engineer God knows Godwin Oya, a Diamond Movies resource. If you are not following me up on my YouTube channel, you are making a very big mistake. Do so to follow me up, share my videos, subscribe to my channel. Follow me up on Facebook on God Knows Oya. I have two accounts bearing the same name, God Knows Oya. Don't get it twisted. You can still follow it up. It's still my account. Then you can still follow me up on a Diamond Movies resource. Thank you and remain blessed. Today video I will be taking you guys on cut length. What we call take off. And it's important we understand how we break it down step by step so that we'll be in the same page. Thank you and remain blessed. God bless you. Let's proceed. Now, before calculating for a cut length, for a takeoff, first of all, you should understand the principle behind it. Now, what am I saying in essence? Now, this is an 8 inches pipe. Now, let's see if the header and the branch are 8 inches or it's the same pipe. Now, this is it. Let's look at it together. Okay, it's an 8 inches pipe. Yeah. It's an 8 inches pipe. So now let's proceed. The next line of action. Now, knowing fully well that this is an 8 inches pipe, this is your block. Now you check also in your material list because it's given there. This is it. Your material list that will tell you your nominal pipe size. When you see NS means nominal pipe size, nominal size. A nutshell. This is an 8 inches pipe. 8 inches pipe is given here. So what we do, then first we find out if this 90-degree elbow that we are working on. If this 90-degree elbow, what you do is you multiply, you do 38.1 times the nominal pipe size. So that we be in the same page. That's why I want us to understand this. So when we do 38.1 multiplied by the nominal pipe size, we get 304.8. 304.8. Now, that is if this okay, this is about 90-degree. Because in American standard, the standard, that is how it is being done. Now this about 90-degree. This is it. This is a 90-degree elbow. So let's solve this together. Let's solve this problem together. Now, for us to get the actual cut length, because what we are trying to resolve is the actual cut length. Now, sometimes we might be giving more than the cut length of the pipe. But for us to get it, we have to subtract the piece length. Sometimes the elbow is given. The elbow is always there. So it's supposed to subtract the elbow from the pipe so that we get giving us the actual pipe size. Now, let's do this together. Always remember, this one now we are giving flange here. Since the flange is here, for us to get this one, we use the standard, use our chart. In our chart, we subtract the flange from here, from the pipe. Then subtract our elbow, then you get our actual cut length of the pipe. So let's do this. So we have 38.1 multiplied by 8, which will give us 308.8. 304.8. Then now, here we have one able. This place, this is what they gave. They say from here to here is 4,505. That is from this place, from here to here. This is what is given. So now, let's do it together. So since it's 1, we say 304.8 multiplied by 1. It will still give us 304 because it cannot go. So now, this 304.8 minus by 4,555, which equals to which will give us 150.2 millimeter. Remember, everything is in milli. Your answer is always in millimeter, because we are dealing on milli. Everything about pipe fitting is milli. Now, this is our first. Now, this is our actual cut length. This is what we got here. This remains our actual cut length, because now we multiply 38.1 times the inches of the pipe, which is 8 inches. Then it will now give us 304.8. Now this 304.8, since it's 1 able, we are subtracting 1 able from here. So now when you do 304.8 multiplied by 1, it will not go. What it will still give us 304.8. Now 304.8 minus by 455, minus by 455, then it will give us, our actual length becomes 150.2 millimeter. This is our actual cut length. Now let's go back to our material list. Let's see if our answer is correct. Now let's do this together. Now, let's go back to our material list. Have you seen? Our answer is correct. This is what is in the material list. 150. That is the answer. That is our actual cut length for this piece length, from here to here. So, thank you. God bless you. If you have not been following me up on my social handle, do where to follow me up on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. God bless you. Remain blessed. I still remain a Daniel Movies resource, the Nollywood Youngest award-winning producer. I love you. Thank you. We'll see some other time.